Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a Diwali vlog. So a day before Diwali, I went for shopping with my mom because I wanted to buy some fresh flowers for Rangoli, and this was my first time when I made Rangoli by using flowers, as I usually make Rangoli using Rangoli colors, and I think it turned out pretty good because I wasn't expecting it to be that good. And here is the result. And my mom also made some besan ke laddus at home because everyone just loves them. Later in the evening time, we went to the mall to buy some decorative items, and the mall was very beautifully decorated too. The lighting in the mall was absolutely amazing, and when we entered the mall, there was this beautiful Pushpak Viman which depicted the entire story of Diwali. As you know, festive or wedding season is a perfect time to give your skin that extra glow. And with Mamaearth Ubtan facial kit, you can get a salon-like facial glow at home because it revives your skin's natural glow in just 6 easy steps in just 30 minutes. It is crafted with the natural goodness of turmeric and saffron. It is made safe certified. This combo contains Mamaearth Ubtan cleansing milk. It gently cleanses to remove impurities without making the skin dry. And the face scrub to exfoliate the dead skin cells, a soothing gel to hydrate your skin, a massage cream to improve the blood circulation, and a face mask to brighten your skin. And finally, end your pampering session at home with the Upton Glow Cream to lock in all that moisture and give you brighter, smoother, and rejuvenated skin. The best thing about Mamaearth is that their all products are free from parabens and silicons and are natural. And Mamaearth is a plastic positive Indian brand, and every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a tree that they plant. And by 2025, they are aiming to plant over 1 million trees, which is a very good initiative. So you should definitely give this product a try. And in case you want to purchase any of their product, so you can use my coupon code, which is Bhavika 2022, to get 20% off on your purchase. Their products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Purple, and even on Mamaearth's official website and app. They have also launched their new app wherein all the members get access to early sales and great discounts. Then I got ready and did very subtle makeup. I applied the blush and the lipstick. And that's the final Diwali look. Then we did the Diwali puja in our home and lighted the candles. The rangoli turned even prettier than before when we added the diyas to the rangoli. Then I burned the fulgari, and yeah, that's it for this Diwali vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.